Ugh, I'm just putting out fires nonstop. Why am I still putting out these fires nonstop? Why aren't all of you helping me more? Well, can you just give me stuff to do? Give it to me. I want to help. Wait, why are you even touching that? We took this away from you forever ago. What will people think of me? I keep telling myself one of these days, you'll stop touching this. No one cares. Just go back to the content I told you to focus on. So here's the thing about fires. They generally happen because the team is not clear on what needs to get done. The team isn't clear on their responsibilities. Or, and this happens a lot, there are too many initiatives that are being greenlit. And I just want to let you know that issue is the visionizers and the strategizers and the mobilizers to figure out together and come up with a plan to fix those 3 reasons why fires take over all their time, energy, and probably make them lose a lot of money too. Here are some of the tools that you want to use when you're thinking about how to help the team stay focused and not make the fires take over them. First is a team accountability map, an actual mind map of that team accountability, some management and communication systems that will help you organize these thoughts and create solutions, and ultimately a 1-page strategic plan that everyone is working from so that you stay on course. Some of the other things you might want to consider are annual anchors, which means knowing exactly those times where you're going to be creating campaigns or marketing what you're doing. A launch calculator, which tells you what the goals are and lets everybody get on the same page. And obviously, actual offer and revenue goals, and knowing how to implement what we call on our campus the unique message model. If you found value in this content, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button below so we can get this video in front of more entrepreneurs who want help growing their business. And be sure to also hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you're notified when new content is released. I'm Jen Kem, here to help you get seen, heard, and paid for the unique value you bring into the world. Until next time.